Hello and welcome. It's now Saturday 8 o'clock, which means it's time for only one thing. It's Quiz for NHS Family Special with Bobby Seagull. Are you ready for round one? Are you ready? Are you ready for round one? You feeling ready? I am. Okay. So, question number 1. What is the largest bone in the body? What is the largest bone in the body? That's question number 1. What is the largest bone in the body? Were you paying attention in school biology classes? Hello, cousin Arya. Arya's typing. Arya's mate. One of my cousins. She's a wonderful cousin, but she's typing the answer in the box. Arya, you're meant to keep the answers in your head. Otherwise, other people might find out. Okay. Question number 2. Gangster Granny, Bad Dad, and the Ice Monster are books by which television personality? Gangster Granny, Bad Dad, and the Ice Monster are books by which television personality? I forgive you, Arya. You're all forgiven. She made a mistake. It's okay. So, Gangster Granny, Bad Dad, and the Ice Monster are books by which television personality? That's question number 2. Question number... I'll do a few more shout-outs when we're ready. I've got a few friends messaging me. Question number 3. I love Strictly. I love maths. Imagine you have a Venn diagram. Strictly and maths. In the middle. It's my dream. Anyway, so 4 judges give scores of 4, 8, 10, and 10. What is the average mean score? So 4 judges give scores of 4, 8, 10 and 10. What is the average mean score? Have a go at that. What is the average mean score? So 4 judges each gives scores. Forget the typo. Of 4, 8, 10 and 10. What is the average mean score? Question number 4. Spelling. So I want you to spell the word that means a short bar with a weight. Spell this, a dumbbell. Spell dumbbell. It gives me a chance to flex my muscles as well. Spell the word dumbbell. How long am I going to keep going this for? I don't know. How long can I go before I get atrophied or tired? So spell the word dumbbell. Okay. Can't keep doing this. Spell the word dumbbell. Okay, let's do triceps. It's good. This is really good. I'm multitasking. I am now running a quiz, having fun with friends, and doing some exercise. What more could I want in life? Nothing. Nothing else. Maybe a McDonald's vanilla milkshake. Oh my god, McDonald's vanilla milkshake. Spell the word dumbbell. Question number 4. Okay. Ooh. As a lightweight. I was pretending it was heavy. Okay, and the final question in this round is a true or false. True or false, Australia is wider than the moon. Australia is wider than the moon. So it's the diameter of the moon. So true or false, Australia is wider than the moon. What do we reckon? What do you reckon? What do we reckon? Lisa says I'm good at multitasking. As a teacher, I'm not too bad. I'm not too bad. I give myself a 7.75 out of 10. Upwards improvement available, but... So Australia is wider than the moon. And if you get this right or wrong, again, I do the family quiz for the Sunday Times every Sunday, and this is in tomorrow's quiz. So you're getting a sneak preview. Don't tell anyone. Shh. Okay, I'm going to go through the questions in reverse order. So question 5 was, Australia is wider than the moon. Question 4 is... Am I going to go backwards? Spell any excuse to do some flexing. Spell dumbbell. It's a lightweight actually. Then question 3 was 4 judges give 4, 8, 10 and 10. What's the average mean score? And I had a discussion with one of my friends, Millie, about this. Mean meaning arithmetic mean, not geometric mean. So just a clarification. So what's the arithmetic mean, which is normal mean? And number 2, Gangster Granny, Bad Dad and the Ice Monster are books by which TV personality? And the final question is, what is the largest bone in the body? So, time for a 10-second dance. And I'll say a few shout-outs. 10-second dance. 6 seconds. 2 seconds. Boom. There we go. Here are your answers coming up. So I'll say a few hellos to people before we go through the answers. Welcome to Matt Flitton's parents, Val and Barry. Welcome for joining for the first time. Welcome to Nikki. Welcome to Jesse. I've got a few people on Facebook. Hello, Cara, aged 8. Welcome. Hello, the Oliphants. Hello, Jane Palmer. Hello, welcome. Well, Team Unicorn Pinata from the Drapers. I like that. I like that. Okay, so the largest bone in the body, Zaha, is your thigh bone. It's your thigh bone. So the femur or thigh bone, either are acceptable. Femur or your thigh bone, if I can stretch it. Femur or thigh bone. That's question 1. Question 2 is this. So Emily Butt, did you get question 2 correct? So these are books by Gangster Granny, Bad Dad and the Ice Monster by David Walliams. David Walliams. Question 2, spelling is fine, you don't need to get spelling right. Question 2 was David Walliams. Hello, Zaha, aged 8. We've got a lot of people aged 8 today. It is a family quiz. It is a family quiz. Okay, question 3. So, this is the arithmetic mean, not the geometric. That is a slight difference, but the normal mean. So remember what we do for a mean, you add them up. 4 plus 8, which is 12, plus 10, 22, plus 10, 32. How many numbers are there? There are 4 different judges, 4 scores. So 32 divided by 4, which gives us 8. So 8. So 8 for the age of a couple of the people tonight. Yeah, was it Zaha? Is it Zaha? Zaha and Kara. There you go. So the answer is 8. What do you worth the mark? This one, spell the word dumbbell. Okay, D. Yeah, got that? U. Got that? M. B. B. E. L. L. Dumbbell. So it's 2 B's. D-U-M-B-B-E-L-L. Dumb, then bell. Dumbbell. If you missed out the second B, tough luck. Tough luck. And then the final question in this round was, before this one, okay, before we reveal the big reveal, I want you all to take part in a little game with me. Okay, so I want you to tell me the opposite of the word. Oh, actually no. Opposite of the word loose. What's opposite of loose? It is tight. Yeah, you got it. So opposite of loose is tight. Change the first letter of that word to M. So you get might. Okay, remember that word now. What body part is this? It is it's the eye. Now the third word is, what's the opposite of bad? Good. So you've got 3 words. Yeah? You've got 3 words. Now I want you to reverse the order of the 3 words and say it out loud. Come on, honestly, say it out loud to the screen. Say them all out loud. Good. I might. Say that again. Good. I might. And now do that like this. Good I might. I've all taught you some Aussie language. Hey, that was a horrendous joke. Good I might. Do you get that? Is that terrible? Is that horrendous? Should I leave the quiz? Good I might. It's quite a good joke, isn't it? It's not bad. There you go. I've taught you some Aussie slang. And I'll give you the answer. The answer is good I might. Hopefully you change the letter, the T, to an M. Otherwise you'd be Good eye tight, which doesn't really sound Aussie. Good eye, mate. Good eye, mate. So the answer is, it is true. It is true. The moon is 3,400 kilometers in diameter, and Australia is 4,000. So there we go. It's true. Round 1 done. Round 1. So, give yourself a mark out of 5. Let me know how you're doing. Let me check people's across the world. Let me know your scores. So if you're enjoying the quiz, we can enter the last round. I'd love for you to share pictures on your social media. Again, tag me on your Twitter app, tag a picture of me in the quiz, or on your Instagram as a story, just so that I can spread the word. So my plan is to keep on going for as long as we can. Again, at some stage, I'll probably go back to work in terms of traveling around the UK, etc. But for now, while I'm at home, I'll still run the quizzes for you guys. Okay. Well, thank you for joining. So this is my Just Giving quiz. Again, if you feel like you're enjoying any of my quizzes, feel free to go to justgiving.com/quiz for NHS. Hello, Jessica Webb on Instagram. And if you're enjoying the quizzes, please do feel free to tag me on your stories on Instagram at Bobby_Seagull, or Twitter or Facebook, or anywhere. And then, the more of these, I'll give you loads of samba. Yeah, I like the samba. Okay, see you all. Lots of love. Thank you so much. Bobby Seagull, family friendly, quiz for NHS. So I'll see you soon.